Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when the keyboard keys are not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that we will be first going to the settings option. So please make a type here in the Windows search tab, and then we need to type settings, and you will get under best match here the settings option. So please make a click on that, and then you will be now opening the settings window. So here in the accessibility option in the left pane, please make a click on that, and then you will now be able to see this kind of window here. So please go with the interaction section, and then all you need to do is just to select this keyboard option. So keyboard, sticky filter, and toggle keys and on-screen keyboard. So once you click on this one, you will now be able to see the sticky filter and toggle keys. So here, just please make sure that the filter keys are turned on, and you will see that, or you will know that simply by looking at this button here. If you see that this is turned blue, then that means it is on. And if you see that it is grayed out, that means it is off. So if you want also to make some changes with the options below it, then just click this right arrow key here, and then you will be brought to this kind of window. You can set the sensitivity of the keyboard so it can ignore brief or repeated keystrokes by adjusting the options here. And once you're done with this one, just close this window and then make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem, or see if the keyboard is now working after the method that we have done. And if it's still not working, then we can also go to the device manager. So how can we do that? Simply make a right click here in the Windows icon, go click on this device manager option, and then we will now be seeing this kind of window just like this one. Let me just expand this. And once you're in the device manager window, all you need to do is just to go to the keyboards option. So once you're in the keyboard, all you need to do is just to make a double tap on that, and you will now be seeing the standard keyboard in your device. So please make a right click, and then we will be updating now the standard keyboard. So how can we do that? Simply click on this update driver option, and then you will be asked on how do you want to search for drivers. So just please click on the search automatically for drivers option if you're connected with the internet. And once it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then you can go back to the prior window by clicking this back arrow key here, and then click on the browse my computer for drivers and click on let me pick. So here you will be shown with the compatible hardware drivers that you are, or that you have already installed in your device. And all you need to do is just to click on the latest version from here, and then once you have already selected it, please click on next and just wait for the installing process to be done, and wait for the notification that says Windows has already updated your device or driver. Once you have received that, then just close this window, and then if after the restart you're still not, the keyboards are working. If it's still not working, then we can go back to the device manager window. So we will now be uninstalling the driver that we have just updated earlier. Okay, so let me just quickly go back to the device manager. So please make a click again on the keyboards option, and here we need to uninstall this one. So please click on uninstall device and then proceed with uninstalling it. After the uninstalling process, just proceed with the scan for hardware changes option here, this icon, or you can just simply go to this action tab and then click on the scan for hardware changes option. After doing this one, it will automatically reinstall the driver that we have just uninstalled. And after that, just make a quick restart again with the device, see if the problem is already fixed. And I hope you learned something from this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.